Woo, what's up, guys? The blizzard of 2026 ain't no joke. Lot of snow. Lot of snow. These guys been working all night, snowplow crew. Look at all that snow. Look at all that snow blow. Look at all that slow blow. Look at all that snow. Yeah. I'm not even gonna try to go down my driveway. All that snow blow. I can't make this thing lighten up either. It's cloudy. Just making them one for the history books. Blizzard of 26. No joke. Ain't no joke. Look at that. This is all-wheel drive. It's what you need right now, right about now. Whew. Snow is deep. You can see how deep it is.